What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today I'm gonna take you down to the town of Hope, Alaska, and we're gonna go do some whitewater kayaking and go see some music. Let's go. I'm going to swap out my kayaks really quick, get the old Salto back on there. All right, y'all, we are on our way out of town, heading south towards Hope. Yeah, later Girdwood, we on the highway. We're going pretty much right across the ocean over there. Absolutely beautiful day. It's supposed to be gorgeous all weekend. We're gonna start the evening off paddling 6 Mile Creek, which is the class 4-5 section, and pretty stoked. The water level has been rising rapidly the last few days because it's super warm out. It's starting to hit 70 almost now. And there's still a lot of snow, so it's melting fast. That's our plan though. We're gonna go paddle 6 Mile and then roll down into the town of Hope and go catch music at Creek Bend, hopefully. If that's sold out, then we'll go check out the sea view, good old sea view. You can always tell it's summertime when the state troopers start coming back out. Everyone's getting pulled over, all the tourists start cracking down on the speed limits out here. The Seward Highway. So I don't think I've actually mentioned it in a video before I talked to you guys in a live stream, but I was supposed to be building my main cabin this summer with my dad, but unfortunately none of the banks in Alaska are doing construction loans at all right now. Even the big ones like Wells Fargo, Alaska USA, North Rim Bank, Key Bank, Madawaska Valley Federal Credit Union, like no one's doing them anymore because of maybe the current economy or something. So I'm not able to get a loan to build my cabin this summer. So that kind of sucks because they're just not doing loans. But the good part is I'm gonna be doing a whole bunch of videos and adventures with you guys. And then we're gonna take off, if all goes well, on a big road trip down to the lower 48 and meet up with my dad and meet up with Phil from down in Mob Overland and Brian from Off-Grid Backcountry Adventures. And meeting up with a whole bunch of friends, hitting a bunch of festivals, and just doing some cool trips down there. Doing a lot of video footage for you guys, so that will be the upside to all this, the summer plans being on halt. Unfortunately, all the diesel prices in Alaska are crazy already. It's already like $5.40 a gallon, and it's supposed to go over $6, so that might stop the road trip. If it hits $6, I probably can't afford it unless some miracle happens, so we will see. Oh yeah! Man, there's so much snow. So we're up in Turnagain Pass right now. This is my band, the Shoot Dangs, playing. The singer is Hannah, who is coming down tonight to hang out. It's her birthday. She's playing guitar here. She's got a pretty voice. Like I was telling you guys before, we're gonna stop and paddle really quick before we go into Hope. So I'm gonna meet all the boys, go set shuttle with the vehicles, and go float. On that note, let's go kayaking to the river. Sunny day. I don't see any deep gouges in that boat. Crazy. Does that skirt fit? Like a glove?
That like inspired me to. I have tons of extra gear. I'm just gonna carry it.
Yeah, just throw it in the truck, bring with. All right, let's do it. So here we go, good old 6 Mile Creek. It's my first day of the season in the old Eskimo Salto here. I was in the 9R2, the big piranha boat last weekend, but it's kind of my low volume creeker. But I like it. I actually like it more than my big 9R2. It's more stable, a little slower, but the bow stays up really nice on it. If I want it to. The water is also up significantly from last time, so we'll see. Oh man, it collapsed. That totally collapsed. It's kind of scary. A little bit sketchy. Yeah, that would suck. That sucked really bad.
Oh.
I've never seen it that big at the end down there too.
How did Tyler die? He died in an avalanche.
Yep, on the river.
On the river.
He died in an avalanche on the river. All right, we'll get Second Canyon coming up right around this corner. That's where the 6 Mile Festival is, but man, the bank's really getting eaten away this year. You been down the last few days with the water coming up or no?
little more water in her now. That's starting to look like a river again.
Yeah?
Yeah.
A little high for that eddy, it seems.
Yep, that's a little bit. Yeah, that's a little juicier than last time. All right, and that concludes the second canyon. We're gonna float on down and get a little ways to go, then we'll hit third canyon. Yo, what's up, Gabe? There's Jay himself. It's cool. This is the Suckhole Rapid down here. I'm gonna space myself out a little. Yo, nice line, man.
Now back down, back down.
Nice line. Woo. Woo. That's a peculiar spot. Oh, I'm gonna see. Oh, did you? Can you get your bow towards me a little bit? Probably not. There we go. Grab your boat if you need it.
What's the bottom here?
Are you?
That's what I was trying to roll
That
against.
sucks, dude. Let me jump out. I'll get out right below you. I don't know how long you can hold it, but let's see. Yeah, dude, no worries. You saved my earlier. You can hold on to it if you need to get up. That sucks, man.
Yeah, that
pocket.
wasn't even in. That was just like up against the wall.
Yeah.
I kept trying to roll. I just wasn't expecting to roll and didn't have a lot of breath. So I missed a couple of this.
Early season, man. I gotta get on the cardio train too. Oh, we're even now. This is Chugach Outdoor Center right here. It's the company I used to guide for down here. enough. I'm gonna start doing cardio when I get home. I'm like, I'm too winded like in the rapids.
Oh yeah,
you know.
not in aerobic shape.
I guess I can still roll. Who am I? It's always a good feeling like when you still have your roll. Right. Funky water. Whoa. We survived the third canyon. Okay, we're back. Successful run. We're gonna go meet the other boys. I'm gonna pick up my kayak down the road, load it, and then we're gonna head to Hope. Let's go. Okay, we are almost into Hope. It is an absolutely gorgeous evening. I think it's supposed to be like this all weekend. Really stoked. Going in.
Voices one. Dirty water, cover me over. I'm not gonna lay my sound.
So last weekend, I was like, Chris! I was yelling, everybody saying really loud.
What do you think about the creek bend, Tyler?
Dude, I love this place. They don't charge anybody to get in.
Yeah, it's free camping.
It sells out every weekend. It's a great way to do it.
Yeah, totally.
It was straight out of Philly.
Welcome back to Hope. Summer is young, but embrace it because it'll be over in 20 seconds. So take home and let out something sweet. Sting my little heart just for fun. When I've been lost and dropped in the mud. Never before have I felt so much love. The rain came down, I started to cry. These are tears of joy in my eyes. For the Hope Social Club.
Thank you, Steve. You are the best. I love you so much. And we're happy to be friendly with you.
Have a ton of fun. Let's make this last hour count.
No fun. No fun at all. Well, thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you to Dan for opening. Thank you to Steve for playing the set breaks. so we can go pee and get another drink. You know, it's like important stuff. Easy peasy. And Sharon, I can't believe you're still here, and I love you so much. You're the best. Wayne, get out. Come on. You guys are rockers. I love you. But I got something really sweet. And I'm gonna give you some.
Like everyone turns into just a big babe. Did I get hurt on it?
Price tag.
Mitchell, right?
Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful morning out, and we're gonna go roll down the street and get some burritos down at a local burrito stand. I still can't open my eyes. Allergies are super bad. But awesome night last night. It's fun seeing friends and music. That's about all I'm gonna say. Anyhow, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, smash the like button down there and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this content. And we'll see you next time.